Many applicants do ask me that, sir, which course we should do and where we should do the course from. So I thought to create a quick video. This is the website skillstg.co.uk. If you go on this website, they got a very good rating and they also provide you a good range of courses. So for example, if I click on our courses and if I go in this, you have all these courses which they provide. Number one is plumbing course, second one electrical, third one is metering, first aid, IOSH, domestic gas, commercial gas, LPG, oil, renewable courses, CITB. Which courses I usually recommend? I recommend all renewable courses because there is a massive scope and you can get the skilled worker visa job. Second one is metering. So if I open the metering one and if I show you what courses you can do to become a meter engineer. So this one, CMA1 and MET1 package course initial. So this is the 4-day course. Second one is this, third one is this. The most common question is where we should start from. So you need to start from somewhere from the scratch. It's always better to do 1-day or 4-day course first and try to understand whether you can do those courses or not. Whether is it worth it for you or not. Because for example, commercial gas engineers, there's a good money in that. Usually you get 40 to 60 pound an hour if you know what your job is. But if you leave it in the middle, it won't help. You need to do training, you need to pass the training, you need to go to next level. Next levels are very important. If you're stuck at, for example, electrician courses, if you're stuck at level 1, level 2, level 3, you won't be going anywhere further. You won't be able to get the job. Renewable courses are very good at the moment. Reason because there is a massive gap. You can also phone them 0141 889 4516. You can also phone them, speak to them, ask them which course and where you should start from. These courses are only 1-day and short courses, but they also have long-term courses plans as well. Sometimes they also provide you the jobs as well. So for example, the company is usually asking from them that if you can arrange some engineers for us, so they can provide you that. PAT testing is also another good thing. Every time I get the PAT test done, I need to pay £50 plus £10 each appliances. So for example, if I'm getting my home done, so for first 10 that will be £50, and then every appliance, for example, test, like you have the toaster or microwave or any equipment, electrical equipment, you pay £10 extra, so you end up 200-300 pound. So this PAT testing course is only for 1 day, and training and certificate, they provide you training and certificate. So this is one of the best way you can do this and you can become a PAT test engineer. They also provide you the websites and where you can do other stuff, etc. So over here they have provided required course book. They also provided over here PAT certification testing requirement. What do you need? So they provide you everything. Everything is available online, but you just need to look in the right direction. On my channel, I have created loads of videos in which I have explained how you can do all these things yourself. For example, if you wanted to become the electrical vehicle engineer, if you wanted to become the electrical charging, the companies which installing the electric chargers, if you wanted to become that engineer. So I have explained in all these videos that how you can do everything yourself. You need to do something extra, something technical, something out of the box. Otherwise, you won't be able to find a good job or skilled worker visa job, all these sponsored jobs, etc.